Hey guys, I'm Mark, founder of Prodigy Rooter and Drain, based out of Tennessee. Originally founded in California in 2010. Been in business a little over 14 years. Found a passion for trenchless pipelining. Due to the fact that we're a very niche service, we're offering our service to everybody from contractors to plumbers to builder developers, commercial property managers. The big things that we specialize in is trenchless pipelining technology. We also offer epoxy and spray and brush coating, whole different method but similar. Hydrojetting, descaling cast iron pipes. Not everybody does this in the plumbing industry. It's very unique. It's a very high skill level type of service. So people always ask me, what is trenchless technology? And I say, well, basically, if you could understand how a doctor would put a stent in your heart without cutting you wide open, it's the same thing. Pipelining technology, we have to access an access point in the sewer, get into the pipe, and from there we could do a full inversion of an epoxy or a felt tube that's epoxy saturated all the way through into the old one. And then we inflate it and it cures in place, like whether I do a hot water method or a UV cure system. Those are two ways of rehabbing hundreds of feet of sewer lateral outside. In most scenarios, you'll never know we were even there. Value behind all of this is the time that it takes for an excavation to be done versus a trenchless liner or epoxy spray liner. Our service will make your sewers last longer. The manufacturer's warranty is 50 years on the product. So with almost 2,000 reviews in our other location, people really love what we do. We have a mission to take care of them and truly serve them at the highest level. Prodigy Rooter and Drain is local to Tennessee. We're bringing new technology to the industry and we're very excited to serve you.